Hi, I'm Adam from Abel McGrath Property Group. I've been selling real estate in Netherlands now for 6.5 years. Having always been involved in property from investing to renovations, ultimately owning my own building company, the transition into real estate was easy for me. Passionate about property, there is nothing better than being able to connect a buyer and a seller and being involved in their journey. I really like to get to know my vendors first, understanding what is really important to them, understanding their motivation, what they're looking to achieve, and how I can best facilitate the best outcome. AMA basically focuses on the wants and needs of the buyer and really focuses on that communication, essentially delivering to the best that we can the expectation of that client, moving them to their new home. The first 30 days in any marketing campaign is typically where you see the most energy from the marketplace. It's where your opportunity or your home has caught the attention of those buyers initially. And if we get the pricing strategy right and the marketing campaign right in those first 30 days, we can create competitive tension. And that's certainly what we're looking for to maximise on that premium price. Essentially what we do is we employ professional photographers and that's their area of specialty, much the same as Trish and her area of specialty, and certainly Emma focusing on the buyers. And essentially what I do is focus on the listing and the understanding the wants and needs of that client and then delivering on that expectation and essentially negotiating the best price that we possibly can for the client. So if you're looking for an agent that will really go above and beyond, please feel free to give me a call so that we can discuss what I can do for you.